Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a junky little journal to share with you guys today. So I've layered on the cover just some doilies with some sequined appliques. This little heart piece here is from Donna Jameson, you guys. She does lovely little work. So she's just altered that, as well as this little stick pin here. So thank you, Donna. I'm finally starting to use some of the things that you gave to me, which I have before. But anyway, so there's a little cap piece for the stick pin. I've pushed it up to the fabric to hold it in place, as well as tucked it into that fabric covering the journal directly, so that whoever purchases this journal, you do not stick yourself with that pin. And that is because I've left, I'm going to show you here in a minute. Love that cover. This is why I picked this doily for this journal, the rose here. And on the back is just plain, but this all lifts up because I'm going to send Sorry Silk and seam binding, or you can tell me, whoever purchases, if you want me to go ahead and close that there, but it will go right there. And so the front is also the same way, it will lift up, but that's the stick pin is kind of hindering that. So on the cover, I have an image from MrsCogs Crafts. I think it's Romance and Roses, which I'll link that below. I've used a few kits. I'm going to link those kits below, you guys. So, sometimes when I'm doing my journals, I like things a certain way, but I also appreciate that they will look just as lovely another way. And this is one of those instances. So I moved those doilies out of the way so you could see how beautiful it would be if you snip all of the extra little pieces off of the doily. I'm not going to do it because I also like just having all of that extra just I don't want to say flopping around, but basically flopping around. Anywho, so moving on into the journal. So we've got lots of little embellishments going on. These inside covers are from Graphics Fairy. So I've used some ephemera from Graphics Fairy, TaylormadeJournals, and the main kit I'm going to show you is from Screechowlstudios. So let's get into it. So I just made some roses. There's my title page. And this is the main kit that is from Screechowlstudios. And these here images here are from the Graphics Fairy. And there's enough of that. And so I've also got some little vintage papers, of course, as I put in my journals. This little butterfly applique, some buttons up there, and there's a little charm there hidden behind the butterfly. I altered this little doily to create a pocket and put some Tim Holtz pieces on there. I'm going to tell you that when I hold out the two fingers, there are two pieces of Sorry Silk. One can be removed if that's too much for you. And this is one of my little French ephemera set pieces that I do have listed on Etsy. I'm trying to load some more kits, but I don't know why Etsy's just not letting me load much. I've got 5 kits that I'm working on to get uploaded. And this is another one of those pieces. So these 2 pieces are printed out on newsprint. I've also got some to print out on vellum, and tracing paper are good options as well. So I'm just showing you guys some things. So lots of little trims and some that's more of, now this was printed out on tracing paper, just to give you guys, a look at the difference in that. Another little booklet here we've got. And on that cover, I have used Tracy Fox's digitals. Just more of my ephemera. And that's TaylormadeJournals, that ledger piece there. So I altered this little book from Graphics Fairy. I added a couple of pages, and I actually made a little booklet, you guys. I really liked that idea. And so let's fix this back. This spread, or parts of a digital that I'm trying to upload as well. And that little piece, you can tuck that behind there. And I like the way that looked. Just another little digital kit. And the lady image there, that's from MrsCogs. So I've just got, and that little piece up there is a little cameo that actually came from Walmart, you guys. And this little boot here also came from Walmart. So when I saw the boot on this kit, I was like, okay, let's just do something with that. So you can use that as a bookmark. More pieces from one of my kits. And I'm telling you guys, these little Tim Holtz things, so you need to open it up and then use it, because if you don't, it will mess your paper up like I did. So that one there is printed on plain coffee paper, and the next one is tracing paper, just to show you guys the difference in that. Another one of my pieces. Now this has a lot going on there, but that's a cute little page there. So I've just made a little tag with lots of little frippets and stuff. So this is a quick little flip, you guys. Very quick. Beautiful journal. Something I haven't done. I don't think I've done anything like this before. So it's just kind of cool. And there's just a little altar, and I didn't glue that down because of that. I liked having that there. Just more. No, this is just from the graphics fairy. I did have a lot of fun. I was like, okay, these little journals, want to do a lot more of these. But you guys, I am all over the place. I'll say that. And then I'm also kind of desiring to go back to more plain journals. Now, this is from TaylormadeJournals. She has this. So what I did, I took all of her, everything in this little ledger book is what I'm calling it, is from TaylormadeJournals. I just made an actual little ledger. I just printed them out in 4x6. So that is it, you guys. It will be listed in my Etsy. You guys, remember, stay positive. Now have a lovely evening, a lovely night, or morning, wherever you are.